Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. So this is something that I do morning and night, and it's something that I really, the last month or two, I've really been kind of focusing and look after my skin a little bit more. I've always kind of liked looking after my skin, but I just wanted to make it a little bit more special. So I'm just gonna start off by clipping my hair back, and yeah, let's get into the skincare. Okay, so the first thing I do is I go in with my ordinary glycosic acid toning solution. So I just take a little cotton pad like this and dab a little bit on and just clean my face. That's a lot. I did it last night and it's still all of that. Okay, so once I've done that, I then go in with my Ren Ready Set Glow Daily AHA Tonic, which is this one, and I love this. It really radiates your face and gives it that really nice glow. Again, I just take a cotton pad, but I don't rub it around my face. I just pat it so it doesn't take off all the other product. Okay, so once I've done that, I then go in with my Paula's Choice exfoliator. Just take one little pump of that on my hand like that and rub it in, and just slowly and really gently. And then this next thing, which is a new thing that I've just recently put into my skincare routine, is the Fenty Skin Fat Water. I saw some really good reviews on this, so I thought I'd give it a go, and so far I've really been enjoying it. So I just kind of take a few, just kind of squeeze it a little bit onto my hand, and again just pop that on. It smells so nice as well. And then after I've done that, especially in the morning, I like to take my roller. So I take my little roller like this, and I really like this one because it's so cold and I don't even have to put it in the fridge, and I just kind of swoop it into the contours of my skin. Okay, and the last step is moisturizer. So I use the Cetaphil Daily Defense Moisturizer with SPF 50 plus UVA protection. So this is great because it has such a high factor of sun cream in, so it kind of protects your skin as well. And I have noticed that my skin just feels a little bit nicer and softer. I use the day and the night cream and the body cream as well, and it gives your body such a nice kind of glow to it. And I have had, especially with my, because obviously you don't really see much of the décolletage, but I have had some nice compliments about my skin when I wear it. I mean, look at that. And then the last step that I do is I go in with a lip balm. This is the Sarah's Nourishing Ginger Lip Balm. And yeah, it's an all natural lip balm. I love it. It's the only thing really that's kind of moisturised my lips. And then I'm going to do a separate video of my everyday makeup, so that will be on Sunday, And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed.